Hello everyone, this is Mohamed, Samy, the Factory Logistics Manager in KEC.
And this is Abdulhadi Hawsawi, the Senior Production Team Leader in KEC.
So we're doing this video together because we're buddies. We've been buddies since 2017. We've been diving mostly every weekend, and we're both holding PADI Rescue Diving Certificate. Those are some pictures of diving in Saudi Arabia and how it looks like. So we have here a group of divers, me and Abdulhadi and Mustaffa, the plant manager. And we also participate in some beach activities like collecting plastics from the beach. And this is just nearby KEC, just behind the factory. And yeah, this is how it looks like when we collect plastics. It's always fun. And when we dive, we make sure also that we dive against debris. So we also always collect, we have our bags and we always collect plastics, cans, and whatever debris is found in the sea.
So starting with the MLCs that we think that it's going to help us with this program. As a strength, I'm talking about myself. So currently, I believe throughout the 9 years that I've been in the business, I work in several MLCs. But the most strength that currently I'm seeing is the building network and drive result, and definitely self-development. What about you?
For me, my areas of strength are the delivering consistent results, priority setting, and managing complexity.
Great. So this year, actually, I'm working in business insights and, of course, another technical and functional skills. However, this program, I believe, it will be building more in my strengths, which is the building network, and of course, driving for results. That's also will be developed in a more better way.
For me, I'm working this year on balancing stakeholders and communicates effectively, which is also part of engaging and energizing people.
Yep. So I'm moving to the next question. When we describe how this program and knowledge that will help us with professionally as assignment, supporting us. So me being in the production, so as a production team leader working in the shop floor, it will give the awareness of reducing the plastics, the use of the plastic, which is going to impact the environment and impact definitely the sea and the corals.
Yeah.
Yes?
In supply chain, we have a project called waste elimination. In short, it's called WE, where we waste nothing for tomorrow to have a better tomorrow. So this will help us definitely in this approach.
Yep. So as a leadership roles that we've been actively participating as a volunteering program, we both actually volunteer in several programs. But most recently, here within the site, we participated in giving the goodie bags to the most needy peoples here in our community. That internally and externally, definitely participating on cleaning the beach from all the plastics, the waste that around the beach. That we do it individually or sometimes together when we are in the beach.
Okay.
Yep.
So yeah, the next question will be, how will we use the MAP experience personally and professionally when we return back? So for me, I think MAP will equip us with practical skills and theoretical knowledge that can help us when we come back here to Saudi to implement in the very exciting projects that we will introduce in a minute.
Definitely, and part of it actually in my case, I'll spread the news, the knowledge, and the skills that I'm going to grasp from the program in my diving community and other buddies definitely, and of course being part or sharing the knowledge and the skills with those people will improve the awareness around the importance of the coral reef restorations.
Okay, so the last question will be, please provide 3 reasons why we think we are the best candidates. So yeah, we've been buddies for long. We know that we are passionate about diving. We have more than 200 dives logged. We are very passionate about the environment also, and we're keen to raise awareness about the environment in the site. And lastly, we've been in touch with two big projects, exciting projects that will happen here in Saudi very soon. So KAUST, the King Abdullah University, which is just next to KEC factory, they have an exciting project in Shusha Island to restore reef. And also we have the Red Sea project, which also they have a reef restoration program. We've been in contact with both to share knowledge, and yeah, they've been asking us about the reef stars. We engaged Mustaffa and we engaged some of the scientists in Indonesia to speak with them, and we hope in this program we can go and get the knowledge and come back to implement it practically in the sites. So yeah,
both projects actually link with the Saudi 2030 visions, so that's why they are mega projects and a very important milestone for the visions. So hopefully we can join you during this program and make the link between MARS and the project that we have here in the region. And see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.